Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X3 Lite, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and tap on the sounds and vibrations section, and here you will get the volume section, and just to change our ringtone volume you should swipe this dot with your finger to the left or to the right side. And also you can do that by the second way, but first be sure that here on the volume button function you got selected the ringtone volume, not the media volume. And now just you can change your ringtone by press on your up or down volume button, or also by swapping this volume panel here to up or to down, So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.